here. Look at the panoramic view. It's amazing. I'm turning around. This is the lake. This is another building. And okay, that's me. Yeah. Amazing view. Yes, it is. I'm on top of the hotel. It's a Marriott Hotel in Chicago. Oh, look at this kind of steam. I don't see it in the picture, but probably there. Now I'm gonna get you in the machine room to show you what they did and explain to you guys. Okay, we get into the machine room. This machine is operating. It's a Westinghouse machine. And the more particular one is this one. We machine it on this end and we put a new slip for the grease. This is the part. On the other side, the bearing was blown. It's a tapered bearing, and we machine it for a straight one. And we install the bearing, and it's ready for the guys to come tomorrow and put the rest of them together and run the machine. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel. Angel International Review. Thank you. Bye. It's machine number 14.